Hello, good day everyone. First, I would like to welcome to our PE class today. I'm Jerwin Gorin and I will be your teacher for this session. But today, I'm going to discuss the fundamental skill in basketball. But did you know what is basketball? Okay, very good. But did you know any fundamental skill? Okay. But this time, I will focus the one of the fundamental skill in basketball. It is dribbling. Here, our learning objectives. First is define what is basketball. The second one is explain what is dribbling and the techniques and the importance of dribblings. And the last one is demonstrate the different types of dribbling skill. And before that, I have a question. Are you ready, class? Define what is basketball. Basketball is a fast-paced team sports that play by two teams. And each team need to 5 members or 5 players to play. And also, basketball is a play by a rectangular court. It's aiming to score by shooting. And the second one is, what is dribbling? Dribbling is a bouncing the ball continuously on one hand. It's required the coordination, speed, and also the control of the ball. Did you understand, class? Our first discussion? Okay, let's move on. The second is the proper techniques of dribbling skill. Okay, class, and let's proceed the proper techniques of basketball. First is check your stance. You need feet shoulder apart, feet shoulder wide apart, and knee bend. Like this. Another one. Feet shoulder wide apart, then knee bend. Like this. And the last one. Feet shoulder wide apart, and knee bend. Much better, you need low to balance your stance. Always low to balance your stance. Did you get it? The last one. Feet shoulder wide apart, knee bend low, and balance. Okay? And the second one is hand position, the ball. First, use your fingertips like this. Fingertips, use the ball. Don't use your palm. Don't you do that. If you use like this, the ball is out control, or use your fingertips like this, the ball must be controlled. Did you get it? Did you understand? Like this. Always your fingertips to take or to hand the ball like this. Like don't you do that. That's wrong. Okay. And the third one is your heads. Okay. Always your heads up. To looking your front. Don't do that looking or hands down. Because you not see the defender or your teammates. Always heads up. See your front looking to see your defender and to skip, and you need to dribbling. Use dribbling. Okay? And the last one is bounce. Continuing the bounce like this. Okay? Always continuous lang. But you need to apply the 4 techniques First is stance, and the second one is position. The third one is your heads up, your heads, and the last is bounce, like this. Need to apply. Okay, class. If you understand to our discussion the 4 techniques of dribblings, give me 4 different types of techniques. First is, do we call stance? Next one, hands position. The third one, your heads up. And the last one, bounce. Okay, very good. Proceed. Why it's important dribblings to play a basketball? Dribblings are very important because only one to do to play a basketball, you need to dribble. You dribble first and you need to walk or run. And dribbling is very important because dribbling is control the ball and also the possession, and you make idea before you do the second step or the second play. And let's proceed our last part in our learning objectives. The different types of dribbling drills. Okay? May I please to bring your own materials or own ball to join us and to follow me the drills. Okay. First drill is stationary dribble or stationary dribblings. You need to 30 seconds or both side. You need stationary and apply the 4 techniques. It's your stance. Always take your stance. Shoulder wide apart, knee bend low, fingertips, and also heads up and bounce. You need 30 seconds or 30 reps, 30 counts, like this one. Much better slow pace. And if you master the slow pace, you add speed, like this. Always control. The left hand. Slowly but surely. Always your next. Okay. This drill is we call the stationary dribble. And the second drills is stationary dribbles but high dribble. And all you need to do, your right hand dribble and the left hand. You do 30 seconds and 3 sets to improve your dribbling. But the same of the first drills, but you need to hide the ball or high bounce the ball, like this. Okay, and the next is left. Okay, class, here are drills to improve your dribbling skill. The combination, stationary position, but combination of right and left hands to do these drills, like this. Okay, but you apply the 4 techniques: stance, hand position, heads up, and bounce. But you need to combination the right and right. Always control the ball. Okay. Another try. Much better slow dribble to control the ball. if you not mastery this skill, but you mastery, you need a pace or fast ball like this. Okay, class, if you enjoy our topic for today and you learn some knowledge about dribblings, about fundamental skill, okay, very good. But this time, here our conclusion. Dribbling is a skill that a constant and you need practice every day. And also, you apply the 4 techniques. The stance, and the next one is sun position, and heads up, and bounce or control. And if you apply this technique, you help better and you need a better dribblings and as a guide you to mastery a dribbling skill. Okay? And also practice the different drills. The stationary drills like dribbling the right and left, the high and low, and the combination of right and left dribbles. And if you encounter the mistake during your practice, during your drills, always try again, because this mistake you must mastery or you must learn this skill. And someday you master this drill or this skill, the dribblings, you must better and must comfortable you apply these drills or techniques in dribbling. And by the way, my name is Jerwin Green. I hope you learned this session. Thank you very much for listening and your time. Goodbye. Bye-bye.